All right, it's E from MarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com. And it is just about the end of the second hour on the 15th of August 2019. Mining traders use risk capital you can afford to lose. I would just do a quick wrap up of the morning session. I said be very careful. First things first, get paid in the 45, 46. And keep a trail if you've got one. Perhaps we could break this tight range. If we did, then the next target would be this 40 and a quarter. The open for the day, close yesterday, I'm sorry. And then obviously, if you can get down to retest 37s to 36s, good for you. But be very careful. We've got a double bottom that's obviously got to contend with for now, RTH. And my guess is we're still talking about range type trading. So that's what we've got is a range for now. We've got that 32 support still intact. It said let's play largely the 35 as support, just a round number with the 65 resistance. This step right here. That's what we've got. You've taken a bounce type trade, paid for sure, 45s, 46. And let's look at one or two more. Okay, and this is a swing chart that we had talked about yesterday, measuring from the lows in August up to the bounce high. So a swing back to the middle is going to get us to the 60 area. And coming through that 39 area is going to be the 60 back coming from the top down. And then the next level would be 1775. And this was just absolutely perfect this morning. If you look at this chart. And then we got a two box bounce, knocked out the 60s, knocked stops. And come back, and we've not been able to spend a whole lot of time underneath this 39, 40 area. So this look has been very helpful to see the support idea coming in this morning. One step at a time, one box at a time. So not quite in this swing, 3 boxes in terms of the move. And we are largely just going to range trade this for now. I think that's the most appropriate. You can see this breakdown that got busted a little, and then it's come back and had some really nice morning after trend day trades with no thought of taking out the lows, just range type trading. It's very helpful today. As usual, the weeklies, quite helpful. We can see that 1775 stalled in here, bounce. We said, let's play this box right here. There's 33 and a half to 65. Let's play that for now, largely as our weekly range. We get below the 33s, 32s, fine. Then you have access to these lows. So this has been very helpful. We have suggested that we were in these couple of boxes based on this chart. 32 support, 72s resistance. This 51.5, 52 area is a flipper. The tails up here and the tails down here. And then we went to this chart, which was our daily, and we talked about this range. As the meat of the move. Right in here, this is pipe So that 61, 62-ish resistance is 42s. You got to get below that support to access the next box. We did that, but have not. This is like a beach ball being pushed underwater. Boom, right out of here. So by and large, we have suggested that this 52 area, 53, is going to control the flow today. And above that, we're bouncing, and below it, we're testing support. Simple, but not easy. So you really, if you're playing two ways today, which is very hard, by the way, to play both sides, but if you're kind of stalking one side and saying, okay, you know, I'm getting closer to my target, so I want to step out. Maybe I'll do better with a bounce trade. That takes time and skill, truthfully, and experience to be able to do that. But you want to sense when a trade is going to dry up and better odds to go the other way if you're a day trader. And certainly this chart has helped us to understand that. Back to the middle. And obviously this chart, where I suggested that this, be careful that this is a double in here. It seems like the boys are trying to protect this right now. All right, I hope that helps. Hope you had a good morning. And if you traded and got something out of the day, keep it. You don't have to be in the trade all day long. Market is still trying to figure it out. Last look at your moving average charts. Over and under on this 10-minute chart. Market is trying to stabilize today. Toboggan run was yesterday and now sideways right now. That's a beautiful chart that's been helpful, and so has this. It's been our 10-minute chart. You can see it. We're going sideways. Keep an eye on this as this migrates downward. That will be key this afternoon. All right, guys. See you in the Slack room. I'm going to take a break. Hope you had a good morning. Be well.